shenanigans.
You're close enough, I hear you.
Hey! Don't touch the Subi. It's delicate.
I couldn't help it because
Don't touch the Camaro.
No.
How about that? Well, then again, I don't give a fuck. The paint is fucking.
That's not nice.
Well, that's mainly the clear
What's
coat.
not nice? Are you really like recording my shorts now?
What the fuck? I'm just.
I need to do another interview now since I got a new car.
I know.
Yeah, she's
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god.
You need to get higher. Get on that pole right there and do it.
Are we retarded or what? What the fuck?
Yo, that's a dope ass lineup right there. Though.
Oh my god, tell me you got that.
I got it all right. All right.
I took all that shit out, dude. You see that? Or did you see it underneath the hood? Took it all out. Underneath the hood scoop. I put the grill craft on the top of it. You're fucking hanging there like. They're good enough for you.
We should stagger them a little bit. They're like on that side.
No, just pull as close to the curb as
close to the curb. You can actually stay in the middle.
Nah, I'm pretty well.
I'll try to get it.
You want to video this?
I don't want to go there.
No, all the way to the left. Hey! Fucking
Oh!
God damn it!
I actually got a picture though. Oh my god, what the fuck? He really took it. That's like right in the middle.
It's not even blurry.
Yeah. I saw it when he took it, no blurriness.
What the fuck? This camera sucks. Let me do autofocus.
Fuck that. Is my name Diego? Yeah, let me
See?
see. No! Damn it. He's gonna shoot your ass! Missed it.
Yo, the battery died at the wrong moment. It was so much stuff going on. But shout out to the boys from JBM. Yeah, yo. That exhaust, I need him around here to harass my neighbors. But I'm out. Shout out to everybody that I met. What the fuck? What the?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.